So what's the right way to promote your products on expertnaire so that you can maximize conversions? That's what we're going to be talking about in this video. Now, if this is the first time of coming to my YouTube channel, my name is Jonathan Melody, and I talk about how to make money online, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, Facebook advertising, marketing and sales. All right, that's what I do in this channel. Now, if those are the type of videos that you love, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video if you enjoyed it, and of course you want to also hit that notification bell so that you get notified anytime I put up videos like this. All right, now the first thing I'm going to talk about is what are the products. What products should you get started with on expertnaire? Now I have a list of seven products that you can start with on expertnaire. I have the cryptocurrency wealth builders, the 72 IG implementation program, the 10x e-commerce masterclass, 5 years UK visa blueprint, information business machines, ultimate move to Canada with low IELTS, 7-figure export coaching program. All right, now if you look at this list right here, you will see that these products, they are in the the big niches. All right, so we have the make money niche, we have the health and beauty niche, we have the fitness niche, right? Of course the travel. Okay, the travel is also a big niche that you can get started in, and you can see that these products, they are centered around these big niches. Now in case you are planning on choosing any other type of product on expertnaire, you should base your choice on these niches: health, make money online, fitness, weight loss, right? Travel. Okay, these are niches that you should be looking at on expertnaire, and of course you want to make sure that you promote something that has a good return. Okay, so at least you should be able to make something around 7,000, 10 to 12,000, 20,000 thereabout. You can see that on this list I have here, you can see programs paying as high as 45,000 naira. Yes, the 10x e-commerce masterclass pays you as much as 45,000 naira per sale. All right, so okay, let's get to the meaty part of this video where I'm going to tell you exactly how you should be promoting your products on expertnaire. Now the first thing that I have on my list here is you should be using marketing angles. All right, you should be using marketing angles. This is how you will be able to differentiate yourself from every other affiliate out there. Now I see a lot of affiliates go out there, just pick up what the vendor has on the website and just use it to promote, or they just use the generic angle of, oh, you want to make so money monthly, you want to do this monthly. No, you should use angles. The easiest or the simplest way to explain angles are basically specific problems. All right, so you want to identify specific pains, problems that people are facing. That's the easiest way to come up with marketing angles. All right, and address those pains with your messaging. Okay, I believe that's simple. So you should be using marketing angles. You should be using marketing angles so that you can differentiate yourself from every other affiliate marketer that is promoting the same product. Okay, now the second thing you want to do is you want to create your own promotional content. All right, that's the second thing I have on my list here. You want to make sure that you create your own promotional content. Don't depend on the content that the affiliate or the vendor has provided, because every other affiliate marketer is more likely to make use of those content. And when people start seeing the same content over and over and over and over again, they develop what they call content blindness. All right, so they become blind to it. Okay, you don't want that to happen to your own promotions. Okay, now the other one that I have on my list right here is you should collect content. A whole lot of people miss this part. Okay, you want to make sure that you collect content. You want to collect people's emails, their phone numbers. Okay, The essence of this is so that you can reach out to them again, because we have two type of buyers. We have people who buy now and people who buy later. These are the groups of buyers that we have. Okay, so you want to make sure that you cater to both of them. For those persons who buy now, great, thumbs up. How about those persons who get to buy later? How do you get to reach out to them again? Or you tend to build a relationship with them so that they can purchase at a later day or date. Okay, you want to make sure that you collect their contact. It could be from via WhatsApp, could be via emails. However you do it, you want to make sure that you collect their contacts. The best way that I advise that you do it, you want to use both WhatsApp and emails. Okay, the fourth point I have on my list here is you should be making your own offers, guys. You want to make sure that you make an offer that is different from what the vendor has already. Make a different offer from the vendor. Okay, so don't just base your marketing on just what the vendor has to offer. Okay, and the simplest way to do this is to identify the missing link in the offer that the vendor has made. For most those persons who still don't know what an offer is basically what the customer or the potential customer gets to get. Okay, from consuming the content, from using the product. Okay, what they get from using the product, what they stand to get, what they stand to benefit. All right, that's what an offer is. All right, so you want to make sure that you create an offer that is different from what the vendor has made. I'm not saying that they are still going to get the offer that the vendor has made, of course, but they still get your own offer. So you want to make sure that you create your own offer aside of what the vendor has provided. And the easiest way to do this is to use the product, to know what the product is about. Okay, what's the best way to actually advertise something is to know it, to understand what this product does. A whole lot of affiliates out there just promote products for the sake of it. They don't even know what the product does. They don't even know what the product contains. Okay, so you want to make sure that you are a student of the product so that you can be confident in promoting that product. All right, so you want to make sure that you make offers, make sure that you make offers, make sure that you make offers. Okay, now the fifth thing or the point that I have here is start with free traffic. Okay, now if you're getting started, there is no point really getting started with paid traffic. The money can add up so easily. All right, so if you're just getting started, there are a whole lot of free source of traffic out there that you can get started with. There is YouTube, there is Twitter, there is Quora, there are forums, Nairaland, pardon me, Nairaland, a whole lot of free sources of traffic out there. Why not use them? Okay, now once you start making use of all of these sources of traffic and you've been able to make some money for yourself, there are people who are into affiliate marketing, and from free traffic they have been able to make over 700,000 in weeks. Within a week they were able to make over that. All right, so paid traffic is not the only way that you can promote or have people see your marketing content out there. All right, so these are 5 points that I have here that will help you to make sure you stand out from every other affiliate marketer, and also get to increase or maximize your conversions. Now, here is what I have for you. Okay, for those persons who are still a little bit confused about this whole affiliate marketing thing, and they want a detailed program that walks you from A to Z, there is a program on expertnaire. It's one of the programs one of the products that I actually showed or talked about at the beginning of this video, and that program is the 72 IG implementation program. Okay, it basically walks you from the beginning to the end. All right, now once you get it using my link, now in the description of this video you're going to find my link. Once you get it, here is what I'm going to do for you. All right, I'm going to give you access to my training where I show you how to come up with unique marketing angles with examples. You're going to see examples. All right. What are these angles even? How do you come up with them? You're going to see exactly how that is done. Now, secondly, you get to also see exactly how I come up with content for promotions, okay, so that you don't rely on vendors for content to use. I see people messaging me that, oh, can you provide me content for this, can you provide me content for that? There are ways that you can come up with your own marketing content so that you can stand out from every other affiliate marketer. All right, now the third thing that you're going to get is I'm going to show you how you can build a contact list of raving fans, people who will always be happy that you have something out there, that you've recommended something for them. Okay, they are ready to jump on anything that you recommend to them. Of course, it's not everything that you recommend to people. You want to make sure that they always get quality content. All right, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Also, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get people to buy using your affiliate links instead of another affiliate link, and not even from the vendor. Do you see that? How do you get someone to use your own affiliate link to buy a product instead of from other affiliates or even from the vendor? It's by making them the missing link offer. All right, I'm going to show you exactly how to create such an offer. And not just that, I have one more thing for you. Okay, once you purchase that 72 IG implementation program using the link in the video in the description. All right, one of the best sources of traffic is YouTube. YouTube is the second most visited website in Nigeria, and if you can know how to use it to your own advantage to promote affiliate products, you will make tons of sales using free traffic. All right, now I'm going to show you exactly how you can create videos without wasting a whole lot of time doing that. Okay, you don't even have to show on screen like this. Okay, you don't have to be on screen like this to create your own videos. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Okay, and not just that, I'm going to show you exactly how you can rank your YouTube videos for low competitive keywords. All right, all you just have to do is just head over to the description of this video, click on that link and get the 72 IG program, and then send your receipt to the number on your screen so that you can gain access to these videos for free. All right, now if you notice, I just implemented what I taught you right in this video. Yes, it works. All right, now if you're really interested, you want to get this 72 IG program, I really want to tell you that the best way to do so is to head over to the description of this video, click on that link, because when you get it, I have more things in store for you. All right, now from last video that I posted, I made mention that every week I get to choose someone to have a 30 minutes consultation with for free. All right, now so we had a whole lot of people who showed indicated interest that they want that 30 minutes consultation, and that's what we're going to do right now. So let's get to see exactly how we can choose someone for that purpose. Okay, now in case you don't know how to be part of this, it's easy to be one of those people who get to win this 30 minutes consultation with me. All you just have to do is subscribe to this channel. All right, make sure that you leave a comment. Okay, take away something you've learned from this video. All right, something you've learned from this video, just leave a comment. Make sure, so you're basically doing three things. Make sure that you are a subscriber, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, okay, and of course head over to my Instagram and follow me on Instagram, because that is where I'm going to be making the shout out to the person who wins my 30 minutes consultation, so that you get to know when this is done. So the next thing I'm going to do is head over to my screen so that you can see exactly so we can together let's find out who is this lucky winner. Okay, so let's do it. All right, so let's do it. I'm here. This is the last video that was uploaded, so we are going to copy the video URL, come over here, we're going to paste it. All right, let's filter duplicate users, exclude. Okay, there's no point. Let's see the number of comments that are there. So we have 15 unique comments. Now let's go ahead and see who this lucky winner will be. Okay, so our lucky winner right here is Mavis Pev. Okay, firstly, nice presentation, but what really got me is how you use that filter option. I never thought about that before now. Finally, thanks for sharing. FYI, I'm a subscriber on your channel. Awesome. All right, so Mr. Mavis, you are the lucky winner for this 30 minutes consultation. All right, all you just have to do is reach out to me on Instagram. I'm going to go ahead and post it on Instagram that you're on the lucky winner, so make sure that you reach out to me so that we can book that 30 minutes time together. All right, so if you want to be one of those persons who have that time with me, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, something you learned from this video. All right, and not just that, you want to make sure that you follow me on Instagram as well, because that's where I'm going to give you the shout out that you're the lucky winner, so that you get to know when that happens. Okay, so that's it guys for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you get notified anytime I put up videos just like this one. I will see you next time. Bye.